Speedy apple jelly treat. This is a story about the fastest dessert ever. It's called Speedy Apple Jelly Treat, and it's made by some very excited kitchen characters. Our adventure starts with Mr. Jiggly. Mr. Jiggly, who loves to wobble, needs a bath. He takes a dive right into Professor Steam's hot, swirling pool of water. Phew, that's toasty, he shouts, melting instantly and feeling wonderful. While Mr. Jiggly was melting, two friends named the Crisp Twins were busy. They were two shiny red apples, ready for their close-up. But first, they met Greatbot. Greatbot is super fast. Whiz! Whoosh! He grated the twins into fluffy piles of delicious shreds in seconds. We're soft now, they giggled, piling up in a large bowl. But wait! To keep the apple shreds from turning brown, a small, mighty hero arrived. Zest Drop! She squirted tiny drops of bright, tangy lemon juice all over the pile. Zest Drop also sprinkled the pile with a spoonful of sweet sparkling sugar dust, just to make sure the flavor was perfect. The pile tasted sweet and tart. Now for the grand reunion. The warm, liquid Mr. Jiggly, now officially called Jelly Juice, came pouring over the Crisp Twins and Zest Drop's mixture. Stir, stir, stir. The warm jelly juice hugged every single shred of apple. It was a sweet, cozy mix that smelled wonderfully fruity, like a fresh orchard day. Into the waiting glass they go. The mixture needed a quick nap in the coldest, quietest spot, the refrigerator, to get ready for its final wobble. Only 30 minutes. Ding! The Speedy Apple Jelly Treat was ready. It wasn't hard like glass or runny like soup. It was soft, wobbly, and full of natural apple flavor. The fastest, easiest treat of all.